Good evening, everybody. It's cruise night. Good evening, everybody. It is cruise night. It is Monday. It is Memorial Day, actually. And today is a cruise night I don't get to make it out to very often. It is put on by a couple friends, and usually what happens is that I shoot all of, the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, so on and so forth. And then Monday is kind of my put together videos and all that kind of stuff. So sadly, I don't get to do it. But because this is a long weekend and I've had all of Monday, I get to go check out their Memorial Day show at Linbrook Bowling Alley. This is the Orange County Cruise Night. It is every Monday night. So if you're in the Anaheim area, go check it out, because we're going to go check it out. Let's go check out some cars. From Orange County Cruise Night. Rodney and Toby always put on a fantastic event. Like I said, I don't always get to make it out because typically on Mondays and Tuesdays I'm usually editing and doing photos and getting videos ready for the week from all the stuff I shot this weekend. But there wasn't as much going on because it's, of course, Memorial Day weekend. So I didn't have anything, and I had all day today because today I was off from the day job that I could get down and edit some of my stuff and get out and hang out with them. So a great time, again, at the Orange County Cruise Night at Linbrook Bowling Alley. If in Anaheim, if you are in that area on a Monday night, go check it out. It's a cool little event. They have it every week. So again, a big shout out to them. A great time at the event. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video, and we will see you at the next show.